Did you know that over 50% of Americans suffer from insect bites each year? Insect bites and sting injuries send over 1 million patients to U.S. hospitals every year. An average of 177 patients die from insect bites and related animal encounters. Direct medical and work time loss translates to an estimated $7.5 billion annually. If you have found yourself or your loved one scratching an insect bite, identifying the type of insect can help you determine the best treatment for the bite. Insect bites can be difficult to identify because many different types of insects can cause similar-looking bites. People may also have an allergic reaction to an insect bite, which can make the symptoms worse and make it harder to identify the insect responsibly. This can make it hard to know how to treat the bite, and in some cases, can even lead to a misdiagnosis. Modern artificial intelligence tools can identify insect bites with over 95% accuracy. Allow TinyML technology to help you identify the insect. TinyML vision solution can differentiate between mosquito bites, tick bites, and other types using AI neural networks. The diagnostic model is easily created by collecting skin rash hive bite dataset in a TinyML platform like cAInvas with preprocessing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. Resulting application is ported to a TinyML device that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to help others. Identifying insect bites can be life savings in certain situations. AITS engineers have created a TinyML vision solution to identify harmful bites using cAInvas with deep learning technology. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Free sign up on http://canvas.ai-tech.systems to use this and other TinyML solutions. Contact us.